Right, let's go. First thing first, you can hear the roar of the V8 exhaust. And the car is actually now in the Sport Plus mode. Of course, we do have a race mode, which allows you to drift with the car because it sends all the torque through the variable torque distribution system to 100% to the rear wheels, but I'm gonna set it to the Sport Plus mode. Wow, that is impressive. So the numbers are brutal. Bi-turbo V8, 4-liter, handcrafted engine, spitting out 805 horsepower and 1,047 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 time in this car is 2.8 seconds. The handling is just fantastic. Wow, it sounds impressive. Wow, those numbers are brutal. Just hear the exhaust sound. This is what a true AMG should sound like. This is actually by far one of the best cars you can buy. It's basically a supercar. Love everything about this car. The interior options, fantastic. For the driver, you can adjust. And let's go to the track pace, which allows you to record your telemetry. If you go to the swipe to the right, go to the track pace app, which allows you to do drag races and record 0 to 60 times. And we're not going to push it too hard, but I just want to show you guys the menu options here. That is impressive. So it took about 6 seconds because I didn't want to push it too hard, but that is a drag race via the track pace app. Let's go back to the Super Sport. Check out the engine performance. You can hear the exhaust sounds. Wow. There are no words to express how this car drives. I'm just speechless at this point. I'm just gonna let you guys experience the V8 exhaust sound. The AMG Ride Control Plus suspension is fantastic around the corners. The car just ties into the road and pulls in any direction. Zero understeer. Top tier performance in this SL63 AMG. I'm gonna switch to the Sport mode, which lowers the V8 exhaust and the growls from the engine. And this is what you use for regular driving mode, comfort mode. But who wants to drive in the comfort mode if you have the Sport Plus mode? It just sounds amazing. And I can hear the whistling from all the electrical components. it is just absolutely phenomenal. Wow, this is by far the most exciting car you can actually drive. Wow, it is just pure magic. I'm actually speechless. This car is just amazing. Of course, we have this new menu system on the 3rd generation MBUX infotainment. We have an energy flow, so you do charge the battery in the back. I believe this is about 148 kilowatt hour battery in the back. It's at 39%. We have the drive modes. You can see a ton of menu options. We have a race mode, Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, electric mode, battery hold, individual mode, and slippery. We're gonna keep it back to the comfort mode here, and then go back to the vehicle menu, and let's check out the engine. Shows you the engine torque and power as wow. Just listen to the exhaust. I mean, it is just absolutely brutal exhaust sound. There is no more to say. It's a 10 out of 10. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of performance, drive dynamics, agility. Is just a phenomenal driving experience in this SL63. I think Mercedes has done this right, knocked it out of the park, 100%. You can see how much torque the car is delivering. Switch to the comfort mode. Hey Mercedes.
Hello, I'm Mercedes, your voice assistant. Would you like to know more about what I can do for you?
I'm hot.
I'm reducing the temperature to minimum.
So that's amazing. Feels very cool, breezy.